Greetings, friends. It's another beautiful day here on the homestead, so I thought I would start some seeds today. Enjoy the beautiful sunshine coming through the patio, which, as you can see, is gone now, but it's still beautiful out there. I've got some crocuses way out there, just blooming beautifully. And now that it is mid-March, all of my summer crop need to get started. So tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, stuff like that. Corn, I'll wait until May 1st and direct sow it. I'm going to do that with my amaranth, the broom corn. I don't even remember what else I planted or will be planting. And once again, since this is an experiment, every year I'm trying something new. The tags, as you can see, are labeled A and B and C. Hopefully I'll get another tray, because apparently I'm growing out of them. But along A1, I have Romas, all my other tomatoes, my tomatillo eggplant. I'm planting tulsi in here, orange bell peppers, paprika, Turkish cayenne, Phoenix cayenne, and my jalapenos. And you're not in focus anymore. There we go. And then in B, I've got my squash, my melons, my cucumbers. I even did loofah gourd in there because I only want a couple. And then C is my cotton. I, as you can see, only have 6, but I don't know if I want to grow more, if I really have the room for more, since cotton is pretty big. I've also got some fun plants here to grow out for both my friend's cottage garden and my own lovely little yard. Here's all the stuff I'll be planting out directly. Fun stuff. So much fun stuff. I'm pretty excited here too. In my seed basket, all my madness, I found at the very bottom cotton seeds, and I'm pretty sure they are my Sea Island Brown, which I thought I had lost. I can tell because if you look at them, if it'll even focus, they're naked. They're harboring absolutely no fuzz. And my burgundies, as you can see in contrast, are fuzzier. I froze. These ones are pretty close to being fuzzless, but there's still a little on there. And these guys, like my Sea Island Brown, were completely naked. The fibers slipped right off. So I'm gonna grow them out. And if they are my Sea Island Brown, I'm gonna baby the daylights out of them and get some more seeds. So that's what's going on here at my homestead. What's happening at yours? Shoot me a comment below or follow me on Instagram, same tag, Patient Farmer, and just tag me. Let me see what's happening.